It's All Gravy with Teresa. Hey guys, this is Teresa and you are watching It's All Gravy with Teresa. We're here in our kitchen in Bowling Green, Kentucky on a beautiful, beautiful fall day. And we were thinking of, I'm going out of town for the fall break. And we wanted to do a quick little video so you're not left with nothing for the week. And I found this chicken casserole. And it's very easy to put together. It's even made where you can make it ahead of time and freeze it and then throw it in the oven after you get home. And I was thinking about it because my neighbor next door has an excellent recipe that his mother made, and he didn't know the recipe exactly. So if you're watching this, you can get that recipe to me and we'll do another chicken casserole. So we'll go ahead and get started. We have preheated our oven to 350, and I'm going to spray our pan with Pam, just because I don't like scrubbing pans. I did that for about 40 years, I think, scrubbing pans. So we've got that. And then in a bowl here, we are going to mix all of our ingredients up. The chicken is already cooked, and for me, this is left over from our dinner 2 nights ago. Just grilled chicken breast. And it's about 4 cups. If you're cooking chicken, get the breast, raw breast, and either 2 large breasts or 4 small breasts will make about 4 cups. And then you just cook those however you do. If you grill them or broil them or boil them, however, just to get the chicken done. And you know the chicken's done when the juice is clear. Alright, and in this recipe, this is another one that's so good that you can fix however your family likes it. You can either put a can of cream of mushroom or cream of chicken. And I'm going to save my cream of chicken for chicken and dumplings. We've showed you that recipe before. So I'm going to use the cream of mushroom soup. And you don't add any milk to it. You just put your soup in here. So we're going to add that. That looks pretty good in itself. But I'm a little weird. I like mushrooms. I think my husband will eat them. But I really like mushrooms. We went one time somewhere Mike was working, and we got a portobello burger. And it was so, so good. On a toasted bun with lettuce and tomatoes. It was so good. So there's that. Then we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. Any brand. I just use the regular sour cream, the store brand. And again, optional. Y'all, Trip, can you be quiet? Grammy's filming a cooking show. Can you be? Thank you. Thank you. So I got 1/4 of a cup of onions, and you can omit that if you want, but we like onions, and they're good for you, especially in the fall time. So see how pretty and creamy that is? And you could actually stop at this point, put this on here, and then your crackers or breadcrumbs. But because we are living intentional and we are doing with less, I had a little bit of broccoli left over, so we're going to add it. And we love cheese, and I want the kids to eat it, so I'm going to add cheese on it. And that will be our whole meal tonight. I might do a little salad with it. So here we are. We're going to add our, if you'll notice, I chopped the stems off the broccoli. So we've just got the flowerettes in here, and it's about 1 cup. We're going to stir it up. Like so. And now it's the fun part. We get to pour it out on here. So I'm going to dip it and then smooth it. I think that'll be the best way. That even smells good, Clint. I'm excited about supper. I'm usually excited about supper.
Must be where I get it from.
Yeah. And thank you guys for looking at our little craft video. We had a few people watch it, and we got some good comments on that. And it's called Teresa's Home Warming Crafts.
There you go.
And we had such a good time with that, and I've got quite a few good ideas that we're going to try that are out of stuff that you have. So thank y'all for watching and sharing and liking and commenting. All right, so there's that. I'll try to get it all in your corners where everybody gets a bite of all the goodie. And then I'm going to take a cup of shredded cheese. And this is cheddar. Again, this is just the extra that I'm adding to it. And you can make this for your family, for what they like. I was thinking if I'd had any green peas, I would have put green peas in here. If you had mozzarella, would be good on here. Okay. So there's that. And then every recipe I looked at, and the one that my mother used to make, put Ritz crackers or townhouse crackers on top of it. But again, we are using what we have. So this is some plain croutons that we made. You'll go back and look at our videos how the hills of your bread and just your leftover bread and buns. We've been making breadcrumbs and croutons. So this is some of them, so we didn't have to go buy any plankton. Is that what it's called? Plankton something. So.
Panko.
Maybe that's it. Y'all will learn, and anybody that knows me already, I make up words as I go. Because I don't want you to know I don't know the word, because I do know what I'm talking about. I just don't know the word. So Clinton gets tickled at me because he is an English major and creative writing. So it couldn't have been better for him being my son, where he can correct me all the time. So that's good. I probably put a full cup, maybe a cup and a half on there. And because it's not seasoned, you could do it just like that and it's going to be fine. But you know me and butter. And I didn't toss them in butter. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the top of parquet. Maybe it'll save me a couple calories. Like that. And we are going to put this joker in the oven. We're going to bake it for 30 minutes. And remember, you could stop at this point. I wouldn't put the breadcrumbs on yet. But at where we put the cheese, and you could wrap it up good and put it in the freezer and then pull it out when you have a busy day one day. So we're going to go ahead and put it in at 350 oven. And it should be ready in about 30 minutes. So stick it in here. It's looking delicious already. And we'll be back and see what it looks like. I'll talk to you in just a few minutes. Thank you. Hi y'all. We are back and it has been our 30 minutes. And look how beautiful that looks. So in 30 minutes time, a little leftover chicken, a little leftover broccoli, and a few more ingredients, and I have my dinner ready for tonight. Just need to add a little salad, or I may just add some sliced tomatoes, the end of our garden tomatoes. But we'll just take a scoop of this where you can see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks so good. You get right here, Clint, with that piece of broccoli and the chicken. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's another quick and easy one. We want to say thank you very much for watching us, for liking, sharing, following, for Instagram, for YouTube. I know that's harder to do, and I appreciate the ones who do go there. I've got a grandson here who I'm trying to keep entertained. Patreon.
Oh my gosh.
Patreon is a site that if you will go look at, you can donate to, and if you're interested in that, if you would check that out, we would truly appreciate it. And that's it. We're done for the day. Telling you to enjoy yourself, to try to be kind. If you're not registered to vote, please do that. You only have a few days left. Any of your friends and family that you can talk into registering to vote, and make sure to get them to the polls or get them mailed in. So we do have a voice, so I hope you all use yours. And this is Teresa telling you I'm going to talk to you real soon. God bless.